garden. Look at this. And by the way, this is my girlfriend. It's here with me. And wait, we have a golden bamboo. What the fuck? What the coconut? This I will turn this into alat lang. Teka lang. Pick up the eye. Butang the eye. Dapat yan. Ay, di. Mahulog. Hindi diraw. Ano? Ay! Loh. Kita na ba siya ako to? Hello. Textan. Matext man ako. I will text her. This and this. Ito 15 minutes next event. As you can see, guys, our garden has become more beautiful from before. Eh, what the fuck? Where did she go? Anyway, Chachi Jangkong is Waya Bintiling. Anyway, we need to go to the seed and get some carrots because I have a task to do. Okay, continue stop. Ferrari nga ni Carlos 57. Inubos yung carrot.
Uy, masarap siya.
Oy! My baby. Oh my God. I love you so much. Oy! Hindi pag-sell. Special to. Ay! Oh my God. Agi, liog. My neck. I got stiff neck. Ay. Alo, dura. Nag-teleport. Teleport naman ni Hunjin. Oo, diba?
Pero nag-teleport. Ito problema. 3, 2, 1, report! May sprinkler ang? Diba? Kung may sprinkler.
Show me to the gear shop. Penche pot, liblop, blop. Cleaning spray, master sprinkler, fine glass, god sprinkler.
Wait, pang teleport yun?
Hindi na, hindi lang man. Baka tarang kang isang tao.
Kuha din pa namin ito. Pero mga mahal. Pero mahal niya.
Nani? Grabe, mahal man ito na ata.
Ano lang niya, K? Pakanta? K lang na.
7K? Ano yung wood fence?
Ay, di ba pa?
Wait. Head stock has been ron.
Carrot. Dami naman.
Nani?
Ano man, ngalak? Dapat ito.
Ganito tabi ang iba dyan. Corn, dapple seed, pumpkin.
Uy, apple. Para mo para gusto lang.
Ura. I didn't get the apple, so that's why I want the apple. Apple pen, pineapple pen. Apple pen. Okay, let's put the apple. the apple,
Ay,
and
so,
uh,
mabigyo. Balitin mo. Manto ko dyan kung ano, kung rati klase. No?
mm,
Kag, ang bala mo, oh my god, guys. Ginto lang ko kang candy blossom ano yung reaction mo. Ang bala ko ano yun. Oh my god, ano pa?
ano ba? Maybe
Oh my god, he give me candy blossom. Candy blossom naman.
ade.
Udah.
Wait, no, wait.
Amo
Para.
pa. Ang bala mo pa. Oh my. Narinig sa kanila. Ewan ko.
So that's it for today, guys. Like and subscribe if you want more grow a garden update. So this is what it looks like now, and it will be much more better, better someday. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.